one we'll leave in, just so we don't have to keep doing it.
Simulation has proven benefits in healthcare education settings, but also many associated costs. Even something as simple as a stand to hold our catheterization trainers upright while students use them can range from $120 to $180 per unit, and we'll need 6 of those to run our multi-patient simulations. So we designed our own stand using free software called Tinkercad, and we partnered with the Technology Showcase on our Allendale campus to 3D print 6 of our own stands of our own design. This saved our program over $1,000. 3D modeling and 3D printing are becoming accessible and affordable. This technology could cut costs and encourage experimentation in your simulation center.